This illustration deals with the bonding of exposed non-current carrying metal parts that are installed within this facility. And notice the purpose of change. A new section has been added to address bonding of exposed non-current metal parts that deal with where you relocate these structures. And of course, this is a relocatable type structure, as you see here. The panel board and the call out from the door to the panel board is located in a building at a readily accessible location in accordance with 545.26. And notice your metal chassis and other metal that might be exposed, crawling underneath, pull boxes and other things that deal with non-current carrying metal parts of equipment, buildings, and so forth. All of it is bonded together to create an equal potential plane as defined in Article 100. And of course, if we want to look at the note, then it talks about all exposed non-current carrying metal is bonded and grounded as required by 545.26. And then you notice that this pull box, junction box underneath the building mounted to the metal frame, the chassis, notice that it is accessible if you crawl underneath that area. And 545.26 says, yeah, that's got to be bonded in a manner that bonds it into the connection to earth ground of the facility. And then notice this is the location of the chassis that's underneath, say, where you could crawl under there in many cases. So this is a relocatable type building where you relocate these structures for different use. And this is naturally the Article 545, but this particular requirement of bonding of exposed non-current carrying metal parts would be 545.26. So again, you're going to have some rules where you install these structures on construction sites and other locations where you might want to use a building that would fall under these regulations.